Alright guys, special unboxing for y'all. This is my old equalizer. I love this thing. One of my subscribers actually gave it to me. It's a Phoenix Gold equalizer made in America. This thing sounded awesome, but my friend spilled his drink on it and it hasn't been acting right since. Oh, shame, man. But anyways, got a little treat here. The new Skar audio sound processor. I didn't even know they had this, man. But anyways, let me open it up. Nice. Ooh, I like the packaging. Cool little box. Alright, let's open it up. Who needs an owner's manual? I'll just play. It goes handy sometimes. Alright. There it is. Nice. Nice. Look how shiny it is. Probably can't tell through the camera, but this thing is very slick looking. And it comes with a fuse. A lot of sound processors don't come with a fuse. Everything needs to be fused up, even sound processors. Alright, sorry about calling this a sound processor. It's an equalizer. My mind's going bad. But this is an equalizer. I don't know why I keep saying sound processor. I know the difference. Trust me, I know. I've been doing this for a long time. Anyways, back to the video. Alright, it has a separate sub-level controller and a volume knob for the mids and highs. Can't wait to hook it up to see how it sounds. Alright, here goes the back. Nice. This is going to make my system legit 100% Skar audio. And I wasn't even going for a 100% Skar audio build at first, but they delivered to my house so fast. You know how impatient I am. And with the other sub companies I was going with, it was taking like 2 weeks, 3 weeks to get to my house. Skar audio delivers fast, and I am a very impatient person. So I kind of fell into Skar audio. But anyways, forgot to mention, it comes with 2 little mounting brackets and some screws. Anyways, let's get this installed. Alright, let's get this hooked up. Let's see how it sounds. Alright, got it all hooked up. Now let's see how it sounds. Right, let's see the highs first, then I'm gonna turn on the subs. I'm not going to really play the subs, just the highs. I give you a little taste of the bass, but just the highs. If you want to hear the subs full tilt, go to my last video. But these subs carry a long distance, and I don't want to, you know, cause no disturbance. But anyways.
All that grease, kill yourself. All that grease. All that grease, kill yourself. Big geek boy, I'ma heal myself. Another high speed, she still ain't 8. Sex, money, drugs, I can feel my face. Big drive so fast, we don't need IDs. Hoes so pretty, she still gon' pay. Another high speed, she still ain't 8. All that green don't fit right in.
Actually sounds very good. I didn't give a long demo because you can't really hear the detail unless you're in person. So that was just a little teaser. But anyways, I like how it has separate knobs for the volume for your mids and then sub. That's a big bonus. But anyways, more updates coming to this build soon. Stay tuned. Peace.